It's a new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. When your job calls for muscle, this truck over-delivers. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, tire fill assistant, air conditioning, V8 engine, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, and streaming audio. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.